Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Book. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you found your Surface Book with a cracked screen and the touch functionality is unresponsive, you're not alone. This issue often occurs due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen, which can lead to further damage if not addressed promptly. If left unrepaired, you risk not only the screen but potentially other internal components being affected by this damage. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a suction cup, a plastic spudger, a Phillips screwdriver, replacement adhesive, and a new screen for your Surface Book. First, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Begin by using the suction cup to gently lift the screen away from the body of the device. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as this can cause further cracks. As you lift, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry apart the screen from the casing. This may require a bit of patience, as the adhesive can be quite strong. Once you have enough space, locate the connector for the screen inside the device. This is usually found near the hinge area. Disconnect the cable gently, making sure not to damage any surrounding components. With the old screen now detached, take your replacement screen and align it with the connectors. Ensure everything fits snugly before reattaching it. When securing the new screen, you'll typically find screws that need to be fastened with the Phillips screwdriver. Be careful not to over-tighten these screws, as this could damage the new screen or the frame of your Surface Book. After securing the screen, reconnect any cables you had previously disconnected. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, apply new adhesive around the edges of the screen before pressing it firmly back into place. Allow time for the adhesive to set properly before testing the touch functionality. If everything works as it should, you can now carefully close up your Surface Book. To prevent issues like this in the future, consider using a protective case or screen protector, and always handle your device with care to avoid drops or impacts. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.